Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now. Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about SSC CGL best books that you need to take up for your preparation. Now, for the English section, the first book is Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. So in this particular book, you have all the revised and well-prepared content. It also has different foundation modules, which also covers up general English questions, which you need to practice. Number 2 is Perfect Competitive English by V.K. Sinha. So in this particular book, you will have the content which is very in-depth. It also gives the right use of formation of nouns, verbs, etc. So you can use this book for your practice as it contains n number of questions which you can use them. Number 3 is A Mirror of Common Errors by Dr. Ashok Kumar Singh. So in this particular book, the revised 7th edition has the complete book in English, which covers up most of the concepts, which it has systematic in manner, and also it has receptive exercises which you can use for practice. The book covers up different parts and also different sections which will be easy to understand and also be relatable for your preparation. Then number 4 is Objective English for Competitive Examinations by H.M. Prasad. So in this particular book, you can use the question papers which are mentioned, and also it has a clear and a systematic grammatical concepts which also be explained thoroughly. It also has authentic examples where you can understand and also relate as to why you have kept those answers. So you can relate to those questions, the techniques that you are using, to the explanation given in that particular book. So all the books which are mentioned for the English section, you can use these particular books as you have known the description of the books as well for your preparation. Moving on, the next section is for general awareness. For the general awareness, the first one is Pratyogita Darpan, and this is a monthly magazine. You can check out the website pdgroup.in and you can access a lot of magazines in there with different categories of subjects. It also has ebooks where you can access them online, and you can also do a good favor for yourself by adding on your subscriptions so that you can get the content and also as much as information that you need online as well. Number 2 is reading newspaper daily. Eventually, cultivating this habit is a very good thing for you all, because aspirants whoever are preparing for competitive exams, this will be a very good use for you all, because reading newspaper daily will enhance and it will keep you very informative up to hand, so that it will let you know what are the current and the general awareness that is happening around you. Number 3 is General Knowledge by Lucent Publications. So Lucent Publications have released a book called General Knowledge. So in this particular book, you will have a comprehensive kind of material, and the content which is kept in this is very informative as well. This book is divided into different sections, and also it has a very systematic approach in your preparation, and it also enhances the level of your preparation as well. So don't forget to check out the book for General Knowledge, which is by Lucent Publications. Now, moving on for the reasoning section, number 1 is Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by Kiran Publications. So you can check out this book as this is very conceptual, and it also has different kind of sections which covers coding, decoding, symbols and notations, etc. It covers a lot of topics which you can enhance in your preparation, and also it will help you to go in a systematic wise. The next one is Logical and Analytical Reasoning by A.K. Gupta. So in this book, you can access n number of topics as it is very comprehensive, and also this book is very conceptual to read. Further, this book is divided into different content-wise sections where it will be easy for you to understand and also grasp the subject easily. Then, this book contains of different topics like relationships and analogies, odd one out, and all of the topics which is related to verbal and non-verbal reasoning. And number 3 is Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey. So this book written by M.K. Pandey, this book is very informative and it covers the foundational basics for the subject of reasoning, and especially for analytical reasoning as mentioned. And then you will have various types of questions which covers principles, the techniques and also the sequences which you have to know for your preparation. Then it also covers different tips, techniques, and also shortcut methods, which will be eventually be useful as you go ahead with your preparation. Moving on, the next section is mathematics section. Number 1 is Advanced Maths by Rakesh Yadav. So Rakesh Yadav has given the book Advanced Mathematics. You can check this out, as this will be a definite guide for all the aspirants out there, as the scheme which is provided in this particular book will enhance your preparation, as it focuses on the math problems and also it will give you eventual solutions to the problems, so you can know how to solve them and also know the exact answers as to how to solve a particular math problem. Then SSC Elementary and Advanced Maths by Kiran. So the author as published, you can check out, as this book will be a comprehensive study material and also the topics which are included in this, it will enhance and broaden your preparation time. So the book SSC Elementary and Advanced Maths by Kiran is a very useful book for doing your math problems. So because this book serves as a study material for you all, and the aspirants whoever are using this book can eligibly, you can rely on this, as it gives you n number of problems and also along with solutions. As I've already mentioned, this book serves as a study material, as the topics which are included in this is very comprehensive. The content which is there in this is very relatable and it will be enhancing your preparation as well. The language which is also used in this particular book is very lucid, so that it will help you to understand the math problem, also help you to derive to a solution accurately. Last but not the least is the NCERT Maths from grade 6 to grade 11. You can use the NCERT curriculum books as mentioned here. You can use the books which are graded from grade 6 to grade 11. So you can use all of the books as mentioned, but from an NCERT curriculum, as it gives you an exposure of different sorts of math problems, and also the curriculum will help you to understand various kinds of techniques that you have to use step by step. As this is graded from 6th to 11th, you will know what are the basics, the foundational concepts, and also you will know the step-by-step procedures as to how to solve a math problem. So a recommended one for NCERT curriculum is a very good choice of deriving in your competitive examinations, as it will give you crucial exposure and also a very derivative kind of concepts which will enhance your preparation as well. So don't forget to use it. Now, I hope all the books which are mentioned here are useful and also appropriate. Now, please remember, all the books, the authors, the magazine which is mentioned, and also the publications which are mentioned in this video, we as a team, we don't have any sort of affiliations or any partnership in accordance with any of those. We have collected some sort of books and kept it together for the preparation for competitive exam SSC CGL, and aspirants whoever are looking forward in confusion of knowing what book to choose, you can check out this video and also serve this as a base of help to even to your friends as well. So you can share this with your friends and give them a very informative outlook of preparing for SSC CGL. Now, if you have any doubts or if you have any other book recommendation or any other latest book recommendations that you are preparing as of now, you can keep it in the comment section below. It will be useful for other users as well. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.